Welcome to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. This is part 2 of a 5-part series. You can find the links to the other parts in the video description below. In this video, we will show you how to make a vegetarian dumpling filling of chives and eggs. As a reminder, because making dumplings is a slightly complicated process, it is commonly made by the entire family as a bonding experience. We highly recommend making dumplings with your friends or family as a fun cooking activity. To make this filling, you will need half a pound of Chinese chives, which you can find at any Asian grocery store, and 2 large eggs. First, we are going to beat the eggs until they are well mixed. Once the eggs are beaten, prepare a 1/3 cup of neutral oil such as canola, vegetable, or avocado oil and 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Heat a large sauté pan on high and add the 1/3 cup of oil. When the pan is hot, about 20 to 30 seconds depending on your stove, pour the beaten eggs into the pan slowly and whisk quickly as you pour. Cook the eggs until they are completely done, approximately a minute, and whisk while they are cooking to break into smaller pieces. After the eggs are completely cooked, move the eggs into a separate bowl. If you still have big pieces of eggs at this point, use a spoon to break them apart into smaller pieces. Allow to cool for 30 to 40 minutes until they are cool to the touch. You want to make sure the eggs are completely cooled before combining with the chives, otherwise the heat will cause the chives to wilt, making your filling watery and hard to wrap into the dumpling wrappers. While the eggs are cooling, rinse the chives and pat until completely dry. Once they are dried, chop into small, fine pieces about 1/8 in width. Once all of the chives have been chopped, put into a large bowl and add in the cooled scrambled eggs. Add the 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt to your chives and eggs and mix until thoroughly incorporated. This should provide enough filling to make about 50 to 60 dumplings. Thank you for watching this video. Continue on to part 3 of this series on how to make your dumpling wrappers from the dough in part 1.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Chinese Homestyle cooking channel. 谢谢。